Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the phone supports Fingerprint and has at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Settings and tap Security or Biometrics. You need to enter your existing PIN, pattern, or password. Make sure to remove any screen protectors or wet fingers that could interfere. Tap Fingerprint Management or Fingerprints to start the change. This gets you into the right menu quickly, so you can add or delete fingerprints with minimal friction. You now handle the core steps. Choose an existing fingerprint to delete or rename if you're reorganizing access. If adding, tap Add Fingerprint and place different parts of the same finger on the sensor until the progress completes. Lift and reposition as prompted. Make sure to enroll multiple angles for reliability. Also, adjust unlock toggles like App Lock or Wake Screen. These settings control when a fingerprint is accepted, so tweak them to match your security preference and convenience. You finish by locking the screen and testing the new fingerprint several times to ensure consistent recognition. If it fails, re-enroll the finger, cleaning the sensor and your finger first. Oils and dirt reduce accuracy. Make sure to reboot the phone and install any pending OS updates if problems persist, because software can affect sensor performance. As a last resort, remove and re-add all fingerprints. This resets enrollment and usually resolves recognition glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.